Okay, so we have finally unpacked. And let's see how many shoes this woman brought for 3 weeks in Puerto Vallarta. Okay, I don't think you're gonna run out of footwear, baby.
Oh no, I forgot a pair.
Suitcase one, suitcase two, well, carry on one, carry on two, suitcase one. All of those drawers are
Drawers.
full of stuff.
Yeah.
Suitcase three, suitcase four. Oh, no, that's suitcase three. Suitcase four is over there. Okay. So when we went to Walmart yesterday, or may I interpret for our friends from Arkansas, the Walmart, bought 50 wire clothes hangers. I thought that was excessive. After this, we had one left over out of 50, and they had maybe 5 or 6 already here. So that's 54 clothes hangers worth of stuff. Oh yeah, there's my shoes. I did not pack my shoes. She packed my shoes. All right, that's the way my baby rolls. Oh, and to make matters worse, last time we were here, she didn't like the curtain on the window on the door between the bedroom and the living area, so she made her own. That's how she rolls. Okay. There you go.